Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the front right hand side fog light on Toyota Auris. This is the 2009 model. So we've got the replacement part here, just going to show you, and this costed us £60, so that's what we're going to replace. So we're just going to crack on with it. Right friends, so in order to get to the fog light is from under the wheel arch. So I've taken the wheel off, as you can see. So now we're gonna remove this trim here, this one here. To get to it, I've already removed scrivet there, one here, okay, and there are a couple of more scrivets to undo, so that we can have a clear view of the back of the fog light. Okay, so just gonna do that. Right, so just gonna remove this grommet here. So we will also have to remove these 3 bolts here, so that we can remove this trim here, and that's going to allow us to remove the wheel arch liner. Okay, so just doing that now. There we go friends, that's the trim removed. There are 2 bolts, one here and one here. There we go. Is one here. There we go. Just gonna remove this grommet as well. There we go. Just gonna remove this grommet here. Right friends, there we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bend this wheel arch liner like this. Right friends, there we go. We've got the clear access to the fog light from the back of it. So there are 4 screws to undo, 2 on this side where my camera is, and 2 on this side. So just gonna take these off now. That's the last screw. There we go friends. Right, so in order to release the bulb holder, so we're going to twist it anti-clockwise like this. There we go. Okay, that's the old fog light being removed. Here's our new one. We got this for £60 from our local auto part shop. Right, so the way it's gonna go in is you see the grooves here, they're all different sizes so that you can't go wrong. So that's how we're gonna slide it in. Just gonna line it up and then twist it clockwise. Okay, there we go friends, that's that. and so just gonna secure it now. Okay, so the way it's gonna sit in is like this. Like that. And sorry, I was wrong. There are three screws which were holding the fog light. Right, friends, so just gonna place in the screws. One there. That's good enough. The second one goes here. There we go. There we go, friends. That's the fog light secured. So before we secure the trim, we're just gonna make sure that it works nicely. So we're just gonna check it now. There we go, friends. It's working fine. So we're just gonna secure the wheel arch liner. There we go. That's how it fits in. Just gonna line it up. Just here. Also in here. Like that. Just gonna secure the grommets. One grommet goes here. Right, so one grommet fits in here, like that. Okay. Nice and easy. One should go there. Just like that. There we go. Okay. Right, there we go. Just gonna twist it like that. Okay. Right, this grommet, screw it, gets fitted here like this. Okay. And so we just need to secure it from underneath. Right, so one grommet just fits in here like that. Nice and easy. Right, so one grommet goes here. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna secure the bolts which we took off from here and the trim panel. So the way it fits in is like this, just like that. There we go, friends. That's one secured. This is the second one. There we go. The third one. There we go. And the last one goes here. Okay friends, there we go. That's that nicely secured. Yeah. Here we go friends. That's the fog light fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.